Oh, cat hat.
Craig likes doing it with the cat hat. Can you tell everyone good morning?
Good morning, everybody.
And what are we doing today?
We're going to go out to eat.
Yes, we're going to draw out a restaurant and see where we're going to eat today.
What we're going to eat today? The new China buffet.
Oh, it's not open on Monday, so we'll put that one back.
Yeah. Never mind. Next. Fazoli's. Do I get lasagna?
Sure.
Oh boy, lasagna.
Looks like Fazoli's it is.
Yup.
It's supposed to be a high of 46 degrees today.
Yeah.
So that's pretty warm, right?
Yup.
That's good for lasagna.
Yeah.
That's good temperature for lasagna. All right. We'll see you guys later.
See you later.
We're a little early for lunch, so we're going to stop in at PetSmart, see if they have any kitties. Craig's probably going to look for spiders, even though he's afraid of them. Oh, and the guinea pigs. And look at the birdies first. It's a green-cheeked conure. Down here we have lots of parakeets. Oh. That one just slid down the thing. Cute. Craig wanted to look here. What do we see here, Craig? This one's not here anymore. Looks like a lot of them are empty. There's one here, whatever it is.
That's the crested gecko.
Can you see it up there? I'm too short to see most of them. There's something here. Oh, I see it. It's right back there on top of the branch. It's a bearded dragon. Let's look at the mice. Look at that little mouse. Is it a mouse or a gerbil?
Hamsters.
It's a hamster. I always get that wrong. Of course that's not a mouse. Oh, someone just poked his head up. Oh, there's one back. Oh, they are so cute. I love them. We didn't have a hamster. We had a gerbil, right?
Yeah.
We kind of like the hamsters better. They're so fun. Stop making me fall in love with you. Oh, look down here. Now this is a fancy mouse, it says. You are pretty fancy. He's eating his little, like, fruit and veggie tray there. This must be mealtime. Look at this one. They're so cute eating. Which one do you like the best, Craig?
This one.
This one?
Yep.
This is a... Well, I can't even pronounce this. Look at this. I'll let you pronounce it for yourself. There's just all kinds of them. These down here are long-haired. Maybe it's just this one. That's back there. I don't know if it's all these down here. It says long-haired Syrian hamsters. Here's Craig's favorite, the guinea pigs. Hello, guys. There's a brown and white and an all white. Let's see what they're doing. I think they're over here eating too. Oh, there's one in the house over there. And these are Chinese dwarf hamsters, female. It doesn't look like a dwarf. It's big to me. Cute. Look at this one. They're really getting their exercise this morning. What should we look at next?
The fishes.
Okay, let's go see the fish. We'll save the cats for last. Save the best for last. What's in there, Craig?
Crickets.
Crickets.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I can see them in there.
Today is one, right? A pleasant walk, a pleasant talk would be a shared delight.
Are there any cartoons about fish?
Finding Nemo,
Oh, that's true. What kind of a fish is Nemo?
a clownfish,
How about Dory? Do you know what kind of fish she is?
a Regal Blue Tang.
Here's some red wag platies. Ooh, look at these guys. I thought so. These look like sharks. And it says
Sharks.
live bala shark.
Bala shark, Mama.
Yeah.
Wow,
See
it
that?
is a bala shark.
Yeah.
Oh,
They are
just go.
$5.99. You can buy a shark.
You just go.
And the rest of them are platies, it looks like, in there. Where's the peppermint platy? I don't see it. Maybe they don't have it anymore. Someone probably bought it. Or maybe the shark ate it. These are glowfish. I always liked the angelfish when I was growing up.
Getting hungry all the way.
Pretty. Oh, here's some right here that are much easier to see. There's some black angelfish. These are pretty. Those are pretty fish. There's some koi. Wouldn't it be cool to have a koi pond, Craig?
Yeah.
They always remind me of the episode of The Office when Michael falls into the koi pond.
Yeah.
These are the goldfish.
The assorted linehead goldfish.
Look at this one.
Oh, look.
And they do have lots of goldfish. Look at these guys. What's
Wow.
that called, Craig?
The electric yellow Lambochi chilchid and the electric blue giant shid.
Close enough. That's what it is. But they are pretty fish. This is a turquoise Severum chilchid. Here you go. That's what it says. Look at these. We could make Bernie and Penny Simba and Pumbaa, right? That's funny. And here the cute kitties are. Oh, look at this, a stripy kitty. It looks like a kitten or a young cat. Oh, it tried to grab my finger. Oh, it's like it just wants me to scratch it so bad. Rolo is a playful boy. He loves to run around, explore. He gets along with other cats, but can play a little rough. He's unsure about dogs. He loves attention, but on his terms, like any cat. I was trying to see if he's 7 months old. I knew you were not a... You knew you had to be a kitten still. You're so cute. And look at this guy. He looks like a big old guy, 9 years old. But that's so because you look a little grumpy. Sea smoke. Craig's over there looking at the dog toys instead. Sea Smoke is a friendly boy. He's laid back. He ignores other cats in the shelter. He likes attention. He's a sweet boy who would love to go home with you today. Oh, Sea Smoke, I wish I could take you home with me. So sweet. This one's not in here. Is it this one? Nope. Well, maybe. Yeah, it's the same cat. What's this cat's name, Craig?
Rascal.
Can you tell us about Rascal?
He was found stray as a very young kid and then spent some time in a foster home before coming to the shelter. He is silly and playful and will be an active guy in your home. He will need toys and playtime to keep him entertained, or another cat to play, which would be good also. All paws must be keep their claws. No decline, please.
He is 6 months old, so he would be such a fun, playful kitty. Oh, I love you. As you can tell, I love them all. I'm definitely a cat person, but I do like dogs too. Oh, it's so sweet. I just want to be able to play with all of them. Bye-bye, kitties. I think Craig's watching the grooming salon. I can see a pretty, it looks like maybe, is that a Cocker Spaniel? Oh, that looks like a poodle blend in there. Do you like watching them get groomed, Craig?
Yep.
Yeah, it's fun. They're grooming a big doodle in there. And one thing I learned about doodles from working at a vet clinic with a groomer is if you get a doodle, be prepared to get them groomed frequently, or they'll get so matted that you have to have them shaved completely and they'll just look like a poodle. Actually, you're supposed to brush them every single day. They are adorable dogs. They have a very high energy. Most of them, all the ones that I've seen. Well, they really have lots of Lion King toys for dogs. I like this one. Here's this Valentine hat for a dog. And pajamas. This little Cupid outfit. It's a little harness with Cupid wings.
Of course, son.
Robes.
Of course.
These are adorable. Well, Craig,
Right?
are you ready to go to Fazoli's?
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, of course.
Shopping center we used to come to a lot when we lived in Knoxville. There was Joann Fabrics there. There was an Office Max. And that was Best Buy. I wish all these things were still here because I would have loved to be able to shop at them now that I live in Des Moines. Home Depot's over there. And just down there is Fazoli's. Well, it looks like they're doing something at Best Buy. They might just be taking stuff out of it. I really want them to be getting ready to put a new store in there. And Walmart is just across the street here. And now it's time for lunch. Okay. It's a pretty nice day out today. I actually don't even have a coat on. I do have a thick sweatshirt on. We are not the first ones here, but I thought we would be. Let's see. I have to decide what I want to get since they took my favorite thing off the menu, which was the ravioli. Why? Why did they do it?
The baked lasagna. You need.
Here's some of their special things. Those don't look good to me. What do I want here? I could try the pizza here. Or one of their sandwiches. Loaded spaghetti. They have fried mozzarella bites. Baked Italian meatballs. Nope. Pepperoni pizza breadsticks. They have wings. They have, of course, their samplers. Craig's getting his drink. Now at Fazoli's, they do have Pepsi products. They also have Dr. Pepper. Some Tropicana lemonades there. I think the other one's exactly the same. Or I think there's one of them here you can get water. Please, this one right here. Our food arrived very quickly. Craig has his lasagna. Of course, that's what Craig gets at Fazoli's. And we got some breadsticks. They come with the meal. I decided to order the mozzarella cheese bites. We'll see how those are. I don't think we've ever had them before. And then I decided to try the pizza because there was really nothing else that looked good to me today. We'll see how it tastes. When you order pepperoni, it comes as a double slice. Maybe I can take one of these home to Joe. I'll never be able to eat. Those are big slices, and they look pretty thick too. Craig, how's your lasagna?
Delicious, Mama.
Okay, so let's give this pizza a try. You know, it's actually pretty good pizza. It reminds me of the pizza they used to have at Adventureland when we used to take the kids when they were little. It has a really nice flavor. There's not a lot of pepperoni on it. It looks like you get about 3 pepperonis per slice. But the flavor's there, and I am enjoying it. So while we're at it, let's taste these mozzarella bites. It's quite a cheese pull. So they have plenty of cheese in them. And they are, in fact, delicious. They're nice and crunchy. I like them. Kind of like a mini cheese stick. Let's hope Craig doesn't see that picture. Okay. Craig, one of our viewers wants to know, do you remember the first Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle series? When
Has
was...
Rob Paulson
Go ahead.
and Cam Clark and Townsend Coleman. It was aired in 1987.
What are the names of the turtles?
Leonardo, Michelangelo, Donatello, and Raphael.
Do you remember any of the episodes from the first season?
No.
No. Who's your favorite turtle?
Michelangelo, he made the best pizzas.
Can you give us an imitation of the Ninja Turtles?
Cowabunga, dude! Now, Fazoli's is the best place to be. The lasagna is delicious, the waiter is nice. I give it 2 thumbs up, 5 stars, and a Craigie Vanbrugh seal of approval.
My email tells me that we have some mail to pick up today.
Best scenario.
Do we get some coupons?
I have a package for you.
Okay.
I have a package for you.
Oh, she's talking to you through there, I think, Craig.
Oh yeah, I'll be right there. And thus,
Everyone knows Craig here. You get that one? Okay. Woo.
1942. The film no one has.
Okay. Now, go get your package in there.
Released on Yogi Bear, voiced by Donald Pedmer, who voices various Hanna-Barbera characters, namely Huckleberry Hound.
Mail time coming soon. Today we're doing something we haven't done for a long time. We're going to the library. Since I've been getting more into a groove again. Craig's been reading some books. I thought we'd stop and choose some for him to read. And honestly, he's not very thrilled about it, but I think you'll be happier once we get inside here. The library has all these books, 10 for $1 or 10 cents each. Let's see what we can find. Do you want to pick a book?
Nope.
Happy with the books I chose?
Yep.
Okay. And I've got some books that I chose for Craig. I tried to choose ones with words, but not too many that Craig would get frustrated. And ones that I felt had a good story that he would like. Craig actually likes to read funny, crazy books, but I didn't find any of those really. While we're out, we're going to stop at Hope Ministries Thrift. Craig found the the VHS tapes and the DVDs that he's done. They have some Easter items out. A little carrot bucket is cute. This cat mug. They want $2.99 for it. I kind of like this bowl. It's $7.99. It's a pretty serving bowl. This big vase is nice too. Looks like it has something etched on it. I think it's just vines. This is kind of cute. It's wall hanging. Let's see how much they want for it. And they want, well, it was $29. They want $11.99 for this. And I think it was originally from, was it from Hobby Lobby? Yes, it was from Hobby Lobby in 2017. This is a huge ashtray that says United States Senate, and it is $24.99. That is so heavy. And this is a road flare, and they want $8.99 for that. And I have this exact house at home. I paid, I think, $1 for, and they want $2.99. Look at this pig. It's like one of those trinket boxes. I've never seen one that big before. They want $8.99 for that. Here's a hot air balloon that says Paris. I think it's like a, I think this opens. And they want $4.99 for that. I'm trying to figure out what these are. They're a bride and groom. I think they're birds. Silly birds. I have to show you. I have to show you this shirt. Let's see if I can hang it so you can see it better. It's a skeleton, and it looks like it's close fitting. Let's see what brand it is. Primal Wear. It's $7.99. That's pretty much the price of all the clothing. And there's the back of it. It has pockets on the back. Interesting. Found something, which was actually in the baby clothes. I'm going to get this for Livy. She loves Taylor Swift like her mama does. It is $3.99. I mean, some of their prices are downright crazy. It just blows me away. $7 for a used plush that doesn't look clean. Look at these. Now there are some Mardi Gras beads for you. Oh no, they're they could be used for St. Patrick's or Mardi Gras. Those are huge. And they're $2.99. That's, I mean, reasonable if you want those, if you need them. I don't have any reason for them though. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Bank. It doesn't have a price on it. And if it doesn't have a price, they won't sell it. Oh, look at this. Oh, what do they call this? Plastic canvas? Yeah. It's a plastic canvas dollhouse. Here's furniture for it. That's pretty awesome. They've made everything for it out of plastic canvas. Even the walls are decorated and the ceilings. That's awesome. I don't know how much they want for it. Yeah, I don't see any price.
And now it's mail time. Here's letter number 1. Happy Valentine's Day. Dear Craig, wishing you a Valentine's Day that's sweeter than a candy heart, cooler than the latest song, and more fun than a roller coaster. Just like you. Have a fun Valentine's Day. You are awesome. Your friend Nancy. Wow.
Very pretty card. And it looks like a Jersey Mike's gift certificate, right, Craig?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jersey Mike's gift certificate.
And this one's for you, Mom.
That one says my name?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's just something that came in the mail. Okay. Yeah, that's a sample. Okay. Some
Now
skin
here's
cream.
package.
Are we going to need the scissors?
Yeah.
This box is actually from someone in Des Moines, and I recognize the name of the street.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Happy Valentine's Day, Connie and Richard. And there's a letter. Hi, Craig. Thank you for making us smile while watching your videos. You're the best. Don't ever change. I love eagles and bears. I watch them on YouTube, live streaming. Those are my favorite things. I love to shop too. Guess what? You live in my sister's friend's old house? Her name was Joy. I showed my sister your video, and she said that Joy's old house. Small world. Keep being you and have a great day. Love, Connie Richard Eubanks. Thanks, Connie Richard.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Wow, take a look at these.
They know someone who used to live in this house.
Daffy Duck.
You turn them around so we can see what they are. Comic books.
Daffy Duck. Tweety and Sylvester. Donald Duck. Uncle Scrooge.
Oh, we'll have fun looking at those, won't you?
Jelly Bellies.
Oh, good job. Oh, what's that one say? Is it Conversation Heart Jelly Bellies?
Yeah.
That's cool.
And there's Heart Pops.
Oh, I've never seen these before.
Hershey's Kisses Milk Chocolate.
Oh, and it's Snoopy.
And Conversation Hearts.
Oh, those are my weakness. It's quite a box of goodies. I think the other box is from them too. Oh, a shirt. Mr. Steal Your Heart. I love it, Craig.
I love
That's
it.
a great Valentine's shirt. We'll try that on a little bit.
There's another Conversation Hearts. And take a look at this. Patrick Picklebottom and the Longest Wait.
Oh, now we know what you can read tonight. It seems like we read a Pickle Bottom story. I don't remember what it was anymore. I know it wasn't that. I can't wait to hear you read that. And let's see. You got the scissors still there? Or do you need help? Oh, here's the scissors.
You're all about remorse.
I got this. This is from the same people. Oh, look at that Snoopy. Here, let me hold it up so you can see it better. That's cute. It has hearts all over it.
Cocoa Mix.
Oh, you
There's
love cocoa.
caramel.
Oh, different
Hot
flavors.
chocolate supreme. French vanilla. Cool.
What were the other flavors? Caramel
French
and
vanilla.
what's the last one?
Chocolate supreme.
Oh, well, that's awesome. And also a cup you can drink it out of. Let's see. What? Oh, it's a Doug Bunny cup. I want you to tell me what it's. Here.
Ain't I a stinker?
I love that. That's one of my favorite lines of Bugs Bunny.
You're gonna pay for what you can't win. You just can't win.
Oh, another shirt. I like it. You can already tell. It's got a burger. No, not burger. I thought it said burger. It says Lasagna King, Craig.
Lasagna King.
I love it.
That's why I love lasagna.
That's right. We should have had that on today.
There's plenty more to see.
What is it?
Garfield Odie.
Oh, that's cute. I love it. These guys are so adorable. Oh, there's more in the
Heart-shaped
box.
gummies.
Oh,
Are they for Valentine's Day?
yeah. We'll have it our Valentine's Day party.
Yeah. Peanut butter and jelly M&Ms.
Oh, taste test. I don't think we've ever tried those, have we?
Yeah.
I think they're new. Ooh, we'll do that tonight.
Thank you, Connie and Richard.
There you go. Those are some really great gifts.
Fun, not never. Fun. No. Hi, Craig and family. I thought you would enjoy these old postcards
Oh.
from Disney. I have over 50 years. A couple pins as well. Also, enjoy the shirt. We both enjoy Frosted Flakes. Love your videos. Have a great day, Sandy. Thank you, Sandy. Well, I'll be.
Let's show the pins. Disney World. This is Pluto. And we've got some postcards too, right, Craig? I'll show you all these in a little bit. And there's this 2003. Did we go to Disney in 2003?
Not really.
No, we didn't go that year. I love it. Do you know what it says? Did you see
They're
it?
great.
Yeah, we need to try on our shirts here. All right. Let's see. I think that's everything, right?
Yep. Thank you for the wonderful gifts. Great.
I love it. The one and only Lasagna King, right?
Yep. I love lasagna.
Okay.
Do you have lasagna in Wisconsin?
I'm pretty sure they do.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Mr. Steal Your Heart.
Yep, I'm Mr. Steal Your Heart.
I love it.
Yep. Patrick Picklebottom and the Longest Wait. Story by Mr. J and artwork by Gary Wilkinson. For young Patrick Picklebottom, who loved books most of all, it was exciting to read what was up on the wall. The sign said the story time signs around 5 o'clock. A cute little tale about a flat-sided rock. It's supposed to be good, he had heard a review, but he was 2 whole hours early with nothing to do. So he sat and he waited. And he waited some more bored, more impatient than ever before. Was it 5 yet? He looked at the clock just to see. But oh no, it was only 2 minutes past 3. It felt like a week has already gone by. For a moment he thought he might break down and cry. He had to find something to pass time along, so he decided to start by singing a song. He began to sing with them bones right into Blind Mice, then some Eddie Rock's ballads that he thought were quite nice. He was dancing around with having all sorts of fun. And the next thing he knew, it was 3:31. Patrick sang all his songs and his dancing was through. So he set out to find something now new he could do. He wrote a short poem about a green elf. Not a bad piece of work, if he said to himself. The green little elf sat up on the shelf, and he didn't have much to eat. He chewed up on his tie, and then wondered why, so he ate his delicious green feet. So it wasn't that great, and he has written some more, but he glanced at the clock. It was 10 after 4. The next thing he did was to find some old chalk and he drew a bright sun, some clouds, and a hawk soaring the sky above a field and a lake. And then, for no reason, he drew a big cake. It was chocolate with frosting and swirly red lines, and a big smiley faces with and star-shaped designs. Then he drew a fast car and pretended to race, before drawing a rocket and flying through space. A small castle here and a dinosaur there, and a chess game between a fern and a bear. He drew some small monster biting somebody's nose, and then a bad bug wearing oversized clothes. Patrick stared up at the world he created, all the things he had made in the time he had waited. The next thing he knew, it was 20 past 5, but story time had simply failed to arrive. He looked at the sign to figure out why, and smiled to himself with a wry little sigh. The night time was at 5, but the day was tomorrow. Though he didn't feel anger, annoyance, and sorrow, he'd simply come back, and he wouldn't be late, precisely at 3, to enjoy his long wait. The end. Well, good night, everybody, and keep on having a great day.